Hello survivors, hello family and friends. This is Roy from Bootsy Sweetheart's Guide to Life and Other Disappointing Experiences with a bit of a disappointing experience. You know, sometimes life throws you big challenges and little challenges and annoying challenges, and that's why I call us all survivors. And sometimes you just have to bend a little more than you'd like to. And that's what's happening with my channel right this minute. Stay tuned and I'll show you what is causing us to take a week or two off since I've had to slow down anyway. Be right back. Those of you who have been following me on YouTube and on the Facebook pages know that we've been undergoing a bathroom renovation, and my last video, which cost me a couple of subscribers, by the way. Some people didn't like that I was, I don't know, things about. Anyway, the project is in its fourth week. We have one bathroom in our home, and it has now been almost 4 weeks that we've been living, borrowing neighbors' homes, staying in hotels, motels. So I thought it best at this point to just stop what I was doing, take a breath, let them finish this, what should have been a simple, well, not so simple, but should have been a renovation, and wait till I get back from a little vacation to reboot, recreate, restart, re-energize the channel.
These houses were all built in the era of the 1930s, and this was our original bathroom, but we couldn't get fixtures for it anymore. It's a beautiful bathroom. It had a stand-up shower and a bathtub. It's a big room. This is what happened to it. They took down all of the lath and plaster, a mess. If I tell you, every single room in the house is sealed off. They had to put a vent in, which is now code. They took all the moldings away. They took out the tub, which was here. We're getting a really fancy shower, so that's nice, with jets and all kinds of stuff. It'll be like being on vacation in your own home. And we waited a long time. We've had the house 23, 24 years already, and this is my first ever, in any home I've ever owned, major renovation, and I will never do it again. They moved the toilet, and they're going to have a nice vanity. The stall shower used to be there, right here in the corner, and that's where they're moving the commode to. They tore down every piece of wall and built up, built out, put in all kinds of things. So it was a bigger project than we thought, but it really has impacted my ability to get anything done around the house. All the floors are covered with paper so that the hardwood floors are protected. All of the furniture is covered. Rugs are put away. All of our dishes and everything we have on display, we just covered with plastic rather than put them away. Even the radiators, we had to take everything off the walls of any adjacent rooms so that they weren't breaking. Then they put this huge dumpster in the driveway, and it's taking up most of the driveway. And in our community, we have to park off street at night or we get fined. So we've had special permission to park on the street. They took over the good portion of the garage. You may not know this, but I have a motorcycle which is now sitting outside covered instead of in the garage. And this again is over almost 4 weeks. This is the garage too. We had to cover stuff. This is the basement, actually. Look what they did to the basement. A major piece of work. So as you can see, I think it's easier to bend with the wind rather than fight it, and just put my life on hold for another week or two until this is done, and then go about rebuilding our home, cleaning and cleaning and cleaning. The dust is in everything. It is a mess. But as everybody keeps saying, oh, it's going to be so nice when it's finished. Yeah, well, like any trial, during the trial, it's a tough. And we are getting a new bathroom. I should be jumping for joy, which I really am inside. It's just getting tired. So I will see you back in a week or two. And until then, bye for now.